You want to create viral YouTube short videos using ChatGPT and Canva. No editing skills, no stress. Then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how smart creators around the world are using AI and Canva to grow fast, even as small channels. Hi, I'm Julius, and this channel is all about teaching you minor digital hacks that will help you so much if you are a content creator. Along the video, we'll be dropping tiny tips that will help you go viral in your videos, big content creator or small. So in this contest, I will advise that the first thing you have to do is to get viral ideas. Give me 5 viral YouTube short ideas for digital creators. And look at the suggestions, super specific and trendy. One of my favorites is this. Look at this. ChatGPT will also ask you if you need it to write you a script on your favorite topic, which you can do under 30 seconds. I will go ahead and type YouTube Shorts templates Canva. Canva has a host of ready-to-use vertical layouts, animations, and even stock footage. I will simply go ahead and show you how I turned ChatGPT's beautiful ideas into another beautiful shorts with simple transitions and engaging text, all for absolutely free. Type YouTube Shorts templates. These are the templates from Canva, and I will simply choose one of these and edit my own content into it. I will choose this and I will click on apply all 4 pages. I chose this particular template because it kind of aligns with what I want to do. The first slide is 3 things every digital creator should stop doing. I'm not really going to edit the font type of this writer because I cannot like them. So I will simply push them down to where I want them to be. So we'll simply delete this. Delete it. And then we'll bring this up in the middle. The second slide says using outdated templates. That means I will simply delete this, delete, and this, delete. And the third slide is ignoring analysis and posting without strategy. I'll take out this. I think I will go ahead and add some bullets to this. And the fourth slide says AOT. I'll simply take out this, delete, or duplicate this. Did you see that? We have been able to convert ChatGPT's beautiful ideas into a short video. So let's watch what we have done. 3 things every digital creator should stop doing: using outdated templates, ignoring analytics, posting without strategy, guilty, fix it now. So I will simply go over to YouTube and post it. Now, if you want to know how to target your audience through the sound of your video, I have a video on how you can do that. All you have to do is click on the link that I will leave in the description box and you'll be good to go. So I will go ahead and download this particular video and post it on my YouTube. Once you're happy with your work, download your video into an MP4. Now to the uploading power. When uploading a short or a video on YouTube, choose a very catchy title. Okay? Example, Canva hacks that will blow your mind. Go ahead and do your research before you can implement this. But it's also advisable to use trendy hashtags so that the YouTube algorithm can be able to push your videos forward. Pick sounds from YouTube Short Library if you haven't done that already. Another tip to go viral on YouTube is to use Add very attractive, catchy hooks in the first 2 seconds of your video. Don't forget to always add call to actions in your videos, even in the short videos. For example, follow for more CANVA hacks. Calls to when your target audience are online. Okay, you create 3 to 5 videos using this method and post consistently. If you found this helpful, subscribe to my channel for more AI and CANVA tutorials made for creators just like you. Let's grow your channel the smart way. Thanks for watching.